What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nathaniel. I'm got a brand new reaction video today. And today we got my boy Jake Paul again with a $4 million Fantasy Factory tour, which Logan Paul also owns, so we'll probably see an appearance from him. And all I gotta say before we start this video is make sure to keep supporting the channel. Our views are up, our impressions are up, so keep liking, keep subscribing, keep watching the whole video so our videos can continue to stay in the algorithm. It's getting pushed out by YouTube a lot more now. Let's go for 20 likes on this video. 20 likes. I know y'all can do it. Y'all did it before. Let's go for 20 likes. Make sure to stay to the end of the video. And let's get it bopping. Let's get it bopping. I cut 30 seconds because, well, it was just the intro and we're skipping it. Whoa, what's with the quality? Jakey. This isn't 1080p, Jakey. Jakey. Yes, he is. Not kidding. Jake Paul's sitting on so much money.
Hey, $3,700. We pay for half of like one person's salary for this job, guys.
Wait, let's do some research. I'll keep the video playing. Yeah, these my analytics. Crazy.
We can't be stopped. It's every week, bro. What do you guys think? No way.
So he said he made $3,700 on a video that got 1.1 million views. That's all right. I can mess with that. Get this video to 1 million views, people. Let's go. If this video gets to 1 million views, I'm shaving my hair and my eyebrows. Let's bop it. I didn't open the screen again. My fault. My fault, y'all. Who's that? Let's see. I want to see this shit, bro. Oh, he's just vlogging again, bro. Alright, where is the tour? This is the tour. Here we go. Bet. Now we have the reaction to the warehouse.
Yeah, that's the Paul brother I'm talking about. Jasper Paul. What other Paul brother is there? Of course, we had to go with the white and black theme. I'm wearing white and black. All the cars.
Oh, bro's the drip king. Can this get off my screen? Thank you. What is bro yamming about? Let's go, Jake. Let's go, Jake. Why has he got the yams out?
This warehouse cost us about $3.5 to $4 million with all the upgrades.
Woo!
11,800 square feet, 2 stories. As you can see,
I'm trying to get like that.
Alec Monopoly, 2 spray paintings.
That's fire. Oh my god, bro. My guys, when I finally do the house tour, when this all works out, and the car tour, bro, it's gonna be so tasteful. It's gonna be ridiculous. It's gonna be like damn. Alright, here we go, Jakey. Let's go. 3.9. What? 3.9 mil?
Don't put that in there. They're gonna put it in there.
Put that shit in there.
Alright, come on inside. We made this place as clean as we possibly can. The name, kind of, for the warehouse is the
Hustle House? Fire. I've been trying to see this for a minute, bro. 1-inch penis parking. He ain't talking about me. We ain't even that big, you know what I'm saying?
In my diary every night when I write and I say I got bullied at the Hustle House by.
Yo, Jake, you gotta fix your audio, bro. I can't hear you, boy.
Come here, motherfucker. Come on. Alright, so this is where we enter into this gym. 2 boxing rings, all sorts of equipment.
That's so fire, bro. Imagine you and your boys go to the warehouse to work out, bro. That's crazy.
The cardio zone, the squat racks. This is the ring I actually whooped his ass in.
Damn. Oh. Like, bro really just slumped.
So this is where I come every morning, you know, got my name right there.
So fire.
White gloves, and I tie my shoes, lace up. This is where I kind of like get into the zone every single day. Sometimes
That's fire, bro.
If you look around the gym, you'll notice that there's these street signs kind of hung up everywhere that correlate to what's going on.
Pamela. Mama Pam.
Avenue. Don't speed though.
I'm fucking with Jake Paul vlogging, man. I'm gonna go check out the full video after it. I'm gonna leave it in the description for y'all. Tyler Hero, Brown. That's a vet. You didn't know him like that, bro. There wasn't no social media.
shit up in the WWE.
The GOAT.
Inspired you when you're really,
Woo! First number one prime me rider. Come on, I'll lock in.
down, guys. Look at the blood everywhere.
Look at the blood.
That's what I mean when I say blood, sweat, and tears.
That's gross. Me personally, I'm not stepping on that. It's just not gonna happen.
Sport is earned, it's not given. So you have to really show up every single day and give your 100.
No, but Jake Paul, if you see this video, we got up the audio quality. All right, bud.
Best sports betting app there is available.
I can't hear this.
Start playing now. No rest room. So you, when you're in here, you're
They're
not.
so against resting, you can't even rest in the bathroom.
Damn, that guy is really something else, huh? Really, really.
My camera's about to die, so I'll be right back. We back. My bad for that, y'all.
Mark my fucking words. Down here, this is
Sprint. Oh, this is the cardio lane, baby. Cardio lane.
the treadmills, the Stairmaster, the cycling. Gotta have the Celsius in the gym.
Where's the prime? I get it. You're sponsored, my boy.
Before sparring.
He ran a dirty fucking like Clash Royale.
At the end of the week,
I'd be had to skip the hell out of that. I ain't getting paid.
Celsius, pick me right up, had an amazing workout. So the gym's kind of split into two sections. This side is like the boxing and cardio base, and this is the strength. As you can tell, as soon as some guys like me hang out, make more room.
That's what I was saying.
Clip of what it looked like before in here. Roll the clip.
Roll a clip. Damn.
It literally was this empty space of nothing, and that's what I love about real estate and interior design. I just had a vision for this place, made it all.
Alright, Jake, but I didn't know you were a real estate mogul. They didn't believe in you. God did.
Yeah, it really is a dream come true. I love this place. It's a place of
I love it too, Jake. I'm gonna pull up one day. Yo, I'm gonna pull up. Don't even stress. I'm gonna pull up.
I've always wanted
I'm gonna be there.
Rob, dude, I could have my own little place like this. I lost like 40 pounds in this bitch too.
Yes, sir, ski. Come on, I'll lock in.
Standard cable pooling machine. All of the free weights are
Pooling. Cable pooling machine.
and this is where you can get strong as fuck. Also, as you can see here, signed clearly states.
We don't down no one.
Robbery protected by the second.
Y'all don't fuck with the feds?
WWE chair here, WrestleMania, pretty sick. John Cena's in there, yeah.
Bam!
So this is the downstairs part. Let's take you upstairs. Come on.
I'm gonna turn up the audio for y'all guys so you can hear everything. Don't even stress it. What's this? Oh, just like a chill room.
We're still building everything out and changing some things around. Bunch of furniture.
That's so fire.
Nice little kitchen setup.
Little office, little kitchen.
Film in, come in here, get a nice little snack. This is actually a Linkin Park drummer guy, right? They'd be like, what? We got a nugget.
Hey, that's what it. Hey, hey, hit that shit, Jake. Come on now, lock in, y'all. What?
That I fall for you. We got the wrestling mats here.
Can we wrestle? You said I can't take you down.
Do you think you could actually take me down?
A little bit.
I got my money on Jasper. Come on, Jasper. Comment Jasper in the comments, ladies and gentlemen.
I'll give you $10,000.
10,000? I'd fuck Jake up for 10,000. Boxing, wrestling, UFC, anything you want. Oh, this bro's getting tossed.
Fuck, bro. Why did we do this?
That was a bad idea. My fault.
Bro's not an athlete. You ain't no athlete.
Pretty competitive there. The ice bath, amazing for recovery. Red light, amazing for recovery. And then the Hocap sauna. This is good for
Damn. That looks high tech as shit.
Done up here, still unfinished, but we got some office spaces right here, and then this is where my brother shoots Impulsive.
Number one podcast in the world, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Lyndon. Daniel, we watching Impulsive.
Section here. This is gonna be a PFL ring. We're gonna put a whole entire smart cage right there.
A smart? What does that even mean?
Guys, make sure you subscribe.
What's a smart cage?
Like a nice little
See, this is why I hate rich people. They just be saying shit. Like, I'm not on the same level as my boy.
watch some fights, and obviously PFL smart cage is going in there. That's it for upstairs. Speed ramp.
No, it's just about to be over.
Alright guys, that is it for the gym tour. I got the Nate Diaz fight coming up.
Shout out Nate Diaz. He's gonna get knocked out. Everyone doesn't believe it. I believe it.
We're about to get a workout in. Check it out.
That's gonna be it for this video. I had to skip through a lot of it because Jake Paul's on this vlog shit again, and we're not here for vlogs. It's not 2016. I'm just kidding. When I vlog, you guys gotta tune in. But that was sick as hell. I can only aspire to be half of what these dudes are. I want the crib, I want the cars, I want the warehouse. But we're working towards it, and that's why I need y'all to like, share, comment, subscribe. Like I said, let's get this video to 20 likes. Keep viewing the videos, keep putting us in the algorithm. It's your boy Nathaniel, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.